Hello, my name is David Jones, otherwise known as the Friendly Marketer, and I'm coming to you with another tutorial video for the Billion Coin Academy. And in this video, I want to share with you how you would go about making the payment for your Kringle back office, and in addition, how you can have that payment fast-tracked to reflect your status as paid in the shortest possible time. So let us log in. I'm going to log into my Kringle back office. Once we're logged in, I'm going to take you right down to the bottom of the menu, and there you will see a button that says My Account, or Your Account, sorry. Here is the Your Account button or tab. I'll click that. When I click that tab, it will show me, well, I know my status says paid, but it will show me the area where your status is. This would normally be blank if you're a new member. Then you'd have the option of making a payment with Bitcoin or credit card. I don't think that credit card feature really works right now. It's just Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum. And then after you make the payment, or should I say to make the payment, you have to click one of these, either the Litecoin, the Ethereum, or the Bitcoin. If you click the Bitcoin, it will open to another page, and here you will see the Bitcoin address that you have to send the payment to, and it's already set up to make the payment for the annual subscription. Now, sometimes, and this is something you have to pay attention to, sometimes when you come to this amount here, because Bitcoin fluctuates all the time and it's not really too constant, when you look at the amount that they give you here to pay, do confirm before sending it off that that amount is actually $10 or a little more than $10. Because sometimes based on when this information is inputted here in the system, the Bitcoin may have dropped. So this may no longer be $10, it may be $8. And you want to send the correct amount, or your account will not be updated for the year. You'll just be covered for the months that you covered. And then what happens next is, let's say for argument's sake you made this payment and you came back within a 24-hour period and your account status was still not reflecting paid. What you can do then is, you see this blue link here, it's highlighted when I go over it. It says if your payment doesn't show paid in less than an hour, actually, that you can click here for faster credit of your payment, complete the form with your transaction details. So if I click this form, this link here, it takes me to a Kringle Cash Payment Support form, and here you'll see it has my email address, my username. It will ask me for where the payment was sent to, whether it was a Bitcoin payment, a Litecoin, or Ethereum payment, and then it'll ask me how long they pay for, whether a month or a year. Down here, it'll ask me the type of wallet address. Then I click in here, whether, in other words, they want to know whether it's a blockchain or a Coinbase, and then the transaction ID for that payment. And then down here you have additional details, and that basically is how you will fast track your payment. Now, I said 24 hours. The reason I said 24 hours is I've never encountered making a back office payment and seeing it done within an hour. Because what happens sometimes is, when you make the payment, or should I say when I make back office payments sometimes, what I do is, without even waiting to give that payment time to be appropriated and the status reflected paid, because I know that sometimes support may be so busy, what I do is I immediately send in the support form, and the link you can see is down here. Click here for faster crediting of your payment or payment support issues. I immediately click that after making the payment, so that once the payment is confirmed, I come back here and I click this so that I can get that fast tracked, as it were. So this is where you make your Kringle back office payment, and this is certainly how you go about getting it to reflect paid in as short a space of time as possible. So thank you for watching. This has been another tutorial video. This is David Jones, the Friendly Marketer, signing off.